Do you find yourself slouching in your chair with rounded shoulders and a forward head posture after a long day at work? Poor posture can lead to a range of health problems, including back pain, neck pain, and headaches. But don't worry, there are some corrective exercises you can do to help correct bad posture. First, let's try the shoulder blade squeeze. Sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Roll your shoulders back and down, then squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times. Next, let's try the chin tuck. Stand or sit with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Tuck your chin in towards your chest, as if you're making a double chin. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times. Now, let's move on to wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, your feet hip-width apart and your arms bent at 90-degree angles. Slowly move your arms up and down, keeping your elbows and wrists against the wall. Repeat 10 to 15 times. The cat-cow stretch is also great for improving posture. Get on your hands and knees, with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back, letting your belly drop towards the ground, cow pose. Exhale and round your spine, pulling your belly towards your spine, cat pose. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Finally, let's try the thoracic spine extension. Lie on your back with a foam roller or rolled up towel under your shoulder blades. Cross your arms over your chest and tuck your chin to your chest. Slowly extend your upper back over the roller, keeping your hips on the ground. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times. Remember, it's important to practice good posture throughout the day, not just during these exercises. Take frequent breaks from sitting, stretch regularly, and make sure your workspace is set up for proper alignment. By doing these corrective exercises, you can improve your posture and reduce your risk of developing pain and other health problems associated with poor posture. Thanks for watching.